Today I'm making California roll burgers. A California roll is a sushi roll that contains rice, avocado, cucumber, and usually imitation crab. We're going to be making some crab cakes using imitation crab, shaping some sushi rice into buns, and topping our burgers with some California roll toppings. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. Let's get started on our crab cakes by adding half a cup of panko breadcrumbs to 1 pound of diced imitation crab. To this we're adding 1 egg, a quarter teaspoon of dill, 1 tablespoon was way too overpowering, 2 tablespoons of Japanese Kewpie mayo, avoiding air bubbles, 2 tablespoons of mustard, about a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix thoroughly and divide into 8 patties, making sure to pack them tightly. Mine kept falling apart, so I suggest you dice your crab smaller than mine. Now I'm going to dip my patties in another cup of panko breadcrumbs, covering them all over before setting them back on the tray and chilling in the freezer to help keep their shape. Now let's start the rice for our buns. I rinsed and drained 1 cup of short grain sushi rice and added it to my rice cooker, along with enough water to reach the 1 cup line. Cover it up, turn it on, and let's make some spicy mayo. I like mine spicy and red, so I'm just mixing about a 2-to-1 ratio of Sriracha to mayo. Just keep mixing and adjusting until you have the color and flavor you like. My rice is done cooking, so now I'm going to transfer it to a baking sheet and spread it out to help it cool faster. Once cooled, line some bowls with plastic wrap and add a quarter of the rice into each bowl, pressing hard to compact the rice so it will hold its shape. Now we're going to fry our buns like yaki onigiri. Pour some oil into a pan and brush some soy sauce onto the insides of the buns. Place sauce side down in the oil and fry until golden. The flavor this gives is fantastic. Add a little more oil to the pan and let's start frying our crab cakes. A few minutes over medium heat. Flip and repeat. Before transferring to a paper towel lined baking sheet to drain any excess oil. And finally, it's time to assemble our California roll burger. Onto my bottom bun, I'm spreading some spicy mayo, 1 crab cake, some cucumber matchsticks, sliced avocado, and spreading more spicy mayo on the top bun before placing it on the burger. Final touch, let's add some black sesame seeds for contrast. I love sushi, and while California rolls don't contain any sashimi or raw fish, it's still one of my favorite rolls. While it's not totally practical to eat this as a burger and you'll likely end up eating this with a fork, this burger came out beautifully and exceeded my flavor expectations. Aside from using too much dill in the crab cakes, this is an amazing combination of flavors with the fried rice, lemony crab, fresh cucumber, creamy avocado, and spicy mayo. I might suggest making your bottom bun as thick as your top to keep it from falling apart like mine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you're a regular, thank you so much for watching my stuff. I hope to see you all next Thursday.